Hey guys, welcome back to Saf's Glam Beauty. We are back at it again with another foamy body scrub video. But this time I'm not going to be doing the regular body scrub like I normally do. I'm constantly like trying to find a means and ways of doing my product, like finding new ways to make the same product basically. Like I know so many ways to do body scrubs. I know so many ways to do like body butters. Like I just don't want to get stuck on doing the same thing over and over. So basically I'm always on a hunt to learn a new way to make product, okay? So I have discovered a new way to make my foamy body scrub. I don't know if it's been on YouTube before. I've never seen it, but I'm gonna make this body scrub the way in which I want it to. Yes, basically I'm gonna be doing the same body scrub but different method, okay? So if you are like me and always on a hunt to learn new ideas and all of that jazz, then please stay tuned, okay? Now, I do have my handy dandy bowl here, and also I'm going to be using this color block from Rainbow Berry, and I'm also using a melt and pour soap base for this project, okay? And I also have some sugar, granulated sugar, white granulated sugar, okay? I have some coconut oil. I love me some coconut oil. I have some vitamin E oil, aloe vera gel, some natural preservative, and some glycerin, okay? So these are our products that we will be using today, okay? Now, for a start, I'm gonna put this to the side and I'm gonna cut up my soap base first. Like I said, this is a different way of making the soap, the body scrubs. I want it to be like really foamy. Oh, let us not, I forgot, I'm not just using this soap base. I'm gonna be using some liquid soap as well because I want this scrub to be liquidy. I don't want it to be like the regular scrub that I'm always making, okay? My last body scrub video that I made, that body scrub video, it is doing so well. Everybody loves it. So I was like thinking, what can I do? Like, how can I like do something different again? Cause that was pretty different, but yep. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave and I will be right back. I'm gonna be adding a few cups. I do not have a recipe, written recipe for this project, but I'm literally like eyeballing it and all of that. So please bear that in mind. The next ingredient I'll be using is some vitamin E oil, Jason's vitamin E oil. I'm gonna be adding a few drops. And I'm gonna be adding some glycerin, like so. It's not much in here, so I believe I'll use the rest of it. And the next thing I'll be using is some aloe vera gel. Okay. which I'm definitely will be adding some sugar because the soap base that I'm using is a hard soap base, and the way in which I'm doing it is it's definitely gonna get hard, okay? But just follow along and trust the process. So I'm gonna be putting this to the side, and I'll grab my coloring. This is how I'm gonna color the body scrub. So like I said, it's a whole new ball game, okay? A whole new game. And I'll be using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, okay? So everything in here looks good. The soap have melted down really nicely. I'm gonna be adding the color black, like so. And I'll also be putting the coconut oil so the hot soap will melt it down. So I'm just gonna mix it like so. All our color blacks have melted, and it's time to pour the soap, the liquid soap base, and sugar, okay? It's definitely gonna get hard. I'm gonna be adding a little bit more sugar, 1 more cup, or let's say 2 cups, like that. It's hard already. It's really, really hard. So what I'm gonna do now, good. This is what you want, okay? I'm gonna get my hand mixer. Oh, okay, it's super hard. I can't do nothing about it right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be adding some liquid soap on it, okay? Like so. I'm not measuring it in any particular order. I'm just gonna be, all right. It's really, really hard. So we can use the spatula that I'm using. Let's see the consistency. This is not what we want. We're gonna get there, okay? Just trust the process. Okay. This is what we're left with. We're not quite there yet, okay? So, but this is how it's looking. It still needs a lot of blending, and we still need to add more liquid soap, okay? So I'm gonna be adding the rest of the soap in here, and I'm gonna make. I don't want it to have a lot of air, so yep, it has a lot of air right now. So I'm gonna be using my hand from now on until it gets flat a little bit, because I'm not looking for a whipped body butter, but a body scrub rather. God, I love body butters. Always making new one. Even though I don't come on YouTube and show me making body butter, almost every day I make body butter, like every other day, cause people keeps buying it. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. Let's add more sugar. It is extra thick. So I'm gonna be adding more liquid soap in here. I'm adding this much. I just hope I don't have to add any more. But we shall see, okay? And I promise you, this body scrub doesn't get hard. The first time when I made this, it was hard. I mean, rock hard it was. But I found a way to make it work, okay? I'm gonna add the rest of the sugar in here. I have no choice but to make a big batch right now, because that's what you get when you don't have a measurement. So this is it, you guys. I'm gonna add my natural preservative in here. But the consistency, y'all, see? The consistency is serving. It's time to add fragrance. I'm gonna be using a Sex Bomb. This is one of my favorite fragrance oil. I love it. Like I told you, I've been playing around with it. This is like my third attempt, and this is one of the last. The last one I've already used it out. So let me start with the third attempt, just so you can have an idea on. You see? You can still scoop it up, but it's pretty hard. You don't want this. I don't know, other people might see this as a plus, they like this, but I don't. The same Sex Bomb, it smells so lovely. So, I'm sorry that I used up the second attempt, but look, can you see how fluffy it is? Can you see this? It is so fluffy. You can use this on your face as well. Even this one can be used on the face. But I've been mixing it, keep trying different methods and all of that just to get the right consistency to bring to you. Okay, so I just feel that this body scrub is super plain. So I'm thinking about using cranberry powder, which will serve as an exfoliant as well, or the seeds, but I can just decide which one. Now you see, looking different a little bit. Like I should have put the seeds instead of the flour, but oh, I like it. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do? God, the consistency, y'all. Like, look here. But I just love it, okay? I just do. Anyways, enough of me showing off. Let's do this, okay? Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. I want to try and pipe it up a little bit. Let's see how it's gonna look. I don't have to do all of them like that. I could do some of them like that. I'm gonna try. Oh my God, it's coming out like a dream. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? I think this is the most beautiful piping I've ever done. You must know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow. It hurts like yellow. You had to let me go. It hurts like yellow. Like I was saying, you guys, my piping skill is the worst, okay? I don't know why I had to like use the piping bag, because I don't know, it looked good, but I just feel like I don't know how to pipe properly. But anyways, like the piping or the scooping would never take away from the project, because this body scrubs is one of the best. I am in love with this. Can you see the cranberry seeds in it? It looks divine, okay? That's all I have for this video, you guys. I appreciate all of you. I cannot believe, or words cannot express how I appreciate each and every one of you, because I am at 500 and some more subscriber. Like, how did this happen? I don't know, but I just want to thank all of you. I appreciate all of you. God bless you. Thank you for supporting my dream, and until next time, I will be talking to you in the next video. Bye bye. You wanna take a piece of my heart again? I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me, that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight.